पहली बार लाल किला परिसर पर उपस्थित हर व्यक्ति द्वारा राष्ट्रगीत का गायन किया जाएगा।
Let freedom reign. The sun never set on so glorious a human achievement. As the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi himself said, the price of independence was heavy, but the freedom it brings is absolutely priceless. And priceless are the moments that we see captured by Doordarshan cameras, looking at a magnificent view of the ramparts and the central days. Everyone in the audience enclosures waiting for the arrival of the Honorable Prime Minister at the central days, from where he will hoist the national flag and address the nation. Excitement all around, smiles galore. The hope in the eyes, the brightness on the faces truly shows that each and every person here truly believes in the story of India, in the growth story of India, in the sustainable story of India.
हमारे 80वें स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह की एक और ख़ास बात, इस बार जो एनक्लोजर्स हैं, जो दीर्घाएं हैं, दर्शक दीर्घाएं और विशिष्ट दीर्घाएं, उनके नाम भारत की प्रमुख झीलों के नाम पर रखे गए हैं। इनमें भटकल, भीमताल, चंद्रताल, पुलिकट, पुष्कर, रविंद्र सरोवर जैसी झीलें शामिल है। यहाँ पर उपस्थित जनसमूह आप देख सकते हैं कितने उल्लसित हैं, उत्साहित हैं इस समारोह का हिस्सा बन करके। गणतंत्र दिवस समारोह में 2026 का जो संस्करण था, उसमें एनक्लोजर्स के नाम नदियों के नाम पर रखे गए थे और इसी परंपरा को आगे बढ़ाते हुए इस वर्ष स्वाधीनता दिवस समारोह में जो एनक्लोजर्स हैं, उनके नाम भारत की प्रमुख झीलों के नाम पर रखे गए हैं।
Especially for India's 80th Independence Day celebrations, a Surya Path Tiranga, a global digital and physical relay initiative was launched under the Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, which is truly a campaign that has brought India together. It traces the Surya Path Tiranga, the hoisting of the Indian national flag from east to west across different time zones, following the path of the rising sun. Just like the rising India, the rising Bharat, that takes everyone together. It's not the one who forces anyone, but it shares a level of camaraderie, a sense of oneness. It truly believes in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, that the world is one family. A rising India, always better for a rising humanity. And now, the Prime Minister awaited at the central days. Here he is, walking up the stairs, and he has reached the central days for the flag hoisting.
Police Monsoon! Russia salute! Slumber! Death! Andarsana Police Monsoon! Bajo! Yes! Andarsana Police Monsoon!
After the hoisting of the national flag by the Honorable Prime Minister and the 21-gun salute, flower petals being showered at the venue by two Mi-17 helicopters of the Indian Air Force, one trooping the national flag and the other trooping a flag depicting Vande Mataram. The captains of the helicopters, Wing Commander Rajat and Squadron Leader Ankit Varshane. What a sight to behold!
वंदे मातरम के 150 वर्ष पूरे होने के शुभ और पावन अवसर पर Mi-17 हेलीकॉप्टर्स